What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Tony, and today we are getting the Jeep all packed up because we are headed out to Yellowstone. This week we're going to hit some trails on the way out, and our first stop is probably going to be camping out at the Badlands. We're going to be boondocking the entire time and kind of do this route. The beginning part is going to be kind of boring, going from basically from Illinois up to Wisconsin through Minnesota and into South Dakota. So it's going to be probably a good couple days. I think we're going to stop at Devil's Tower and kind of putz around. We don't really have too much of a game plan on where we're actually going. I have spots all kind of camped out where to go. So let's just see where this trail gets us. But first, we have to get all these boxes put on the Jeep. Plus, I have to grab my tent, and then we are going to be putting it on top of the roof rack. Let's jump at it. So I got all the boxes on right now. It's all packed up, ready to go. Just besides getting our regular luggage and suitcases in there, and sleeping bags and stuff in there. Tent's right in the middle. Got my two little boxes. Everything is ready. Starlinks is already ready, and I think I already know a couple of other things I'm gonna need. For maybe like a next kind of trip. We're definitely going to have to get one of those luggage racks that kind of go up top, just to help, some storage. So we have the ARB refrigerator, and we have just another little tote just full of, kind of stuff that I think we may need. But it's not too bad. It's definitely a little bit more spacious than when my last trip that I went on with me and my son, because the seats are out. So there's a few things that we're gonna still address and get worked on. And I still have some space behind my seat, the driver's seat. Yeah, we are all set for the trip. So, in that note, let's go. Let's get on this road. I know it's gonna be really windy right now, but it's kind of cool that one of you guys, I should have got his name, really friendly guy. He actually has a ZR2. Let's see if I could kind of zoom in over here. No, I can't. Yeah, you're right about here. Maybe hold up. Maybe maybe I'll walk back down over there and maybe I'll get some video of him. But it was kind of cool that I got recognized out in public, and especially coming out about 1,000 miles away from my actual home. I'm out in South Dakota and getting recognized. It's kind of cool. So I greatly appreciate you, and I gave him one of my patches that I just got in. Real nice guy, real nice family, and they gave me some trails to go hit for me and my buddy to go do some wheeling. So maybe I'll take a walk down there. Me and my buddy will go introduce ourselves again, because I didn't get his name. It was just kind of cool to get to know him. But here is the Jeep. Did really well in the just driving out here. Awesome. We got the tent all set up right over here, and we can't complain with these views. The views out here are incredible. I'm sorry for the wind. I'm not sure how well it's going to come through, but the views, we're going to be seeing some sweet stars out here. And there's Turd Monkey. Hi, Turd Monkey.
Hey, dickhead. Hey.
So we got like a little storm coming through right behind me. Maybe you guys can see some lightning, but it's gonna be a kind of a gnarly little storm coming through. When I looked on the weather app, and what's super cool is there's all this pink over here. me zoom in, get this thing focused. All this pink came up, and it was lightning, so maybe we can get a couple shots of it shooting some lightning bolts down. I've never been in a storm out here in the tent before, so it'll be kind of cool to see. There's Dickhead. We're getting it, Harry. We're getting it, Harry. And today, I don't really have too much of a view. It's pretty cloudy, or clouds came down on us. But we did go through a pretty intense storm last night. It was pretty crazy. We had about 60-mile-an-hour winds or so, and the tent held up. Didn't blow away. This man cannot take a shower, but he can shave outside. Yeah, we're gonna put that in the YouTube video. So leave me down in the comments. I want to know what people think. Do you need a shower for camping, or do you use Hey Dudes like me? I mean, this man right here likes to have showers every single day, but he can shave outside, like in the wilderness, like a little wildebeest. I mean, besides like last night, which I absolutely loved sleeping in that storm. I mean, just look how beautiful it is out here. I'm not sure how much this is actually capturing, wise. And this definitely doesn't do it justice to what you can actually see through your own eyes. But I think what's crazy is you can see all the layers of, like, way back then. You can see all the layers of how the seafloor used to be, like millions of years ago or whatever it was. But it's just, to me, it's beautiful, because down here used to be like where the grasses used to be like the seafloor. And then you can just see all the layers into the rock. That's just beautiful. I think what's crazy is you can see all the layers of, like, way back then. You can see all the layers of how the seafloor used to be, like millions of years ago or whatever it was. But it's just, to me, it's beautiful, because down here used to be like where the grasses used to be like the seafloor, and then you can just see all the layers into the rock. That's just beautiful. So me and Dickhead just made it to Devil's Tower, and it has been nothing but amazing. So we just turned on this fire road It's on 31. I forget what trail. The trail number is 31. I can't remember. It's like Sheep Mountain Fire Lookout or something like that. We're gonna do this trail on our way out to Yellowstone. Looks like it'll be a few miles. So I think it looks like it's going to be mostly just this gravel kind of road, but hopefully we can see some pretty cool views. So let's just jump into it. Now it's pretty windy up here, and I don't know how well this is going to be going in because I don't have my mic with me. But this trail isn't very hard at all. It was actually very beautiful getting up here. But we made it up here, and the views are amazing. Just look.